All right, let's look at Tesla on the monthly chart. We can see monthly, y'all look left. 1, 2, 3, 4, 4 months. We've been holding in this range. And this one, I mean, obviously 5 months, if you come on down, we just have been really stuck. So I'm watching this monthly trend line right here for the month of February. We need to hold 419. If we can hold 419, you guys can see we've tested this multiple times. It's been a while since we've been slowly making our way back to the trend line. But each time we've tested it through here, we've actually pushed higher. So I'm watching this area to see this month in February. If we test that 419, which we're fairly close to, we may get that nice bounce and push higher. Looking at the weekly, you can really see how we've been stuck. So this has been since September. Long time. We broke a little bit lower, popped right back inside, broke a little bit higher, popped right back inside, and it's just really been sideways momentum for a really long time. So I'm liking what I'm seeing on that monthly chart. We're getting really close to that trend line, so that's an area to definitely keep in mind as we could bounce when we tap there. When we look at the daily, you can really see it's just been forever, so much movement sideways. But what I am watching is this trend line here. We tested it again on Friday and just could not push. So I'm looking at 439. If we can get the break above 439, we can potentially set up for more upside. But the downside, if we head on down, we can go as low as 408 if we test this lower trend line right through here. Obviously, we can see continuation too, but I'd like to see what happens around these areas. If we see 408 though, we've broken below our monthly trend line, and we've been holding this monthly trend line since last April, so almost a year. So that's a significant level if we do break it. So I'm hoping we don't ever see that 408, that we see that 419 at its lowest and then bounce, but we just trade level to level, and this is why. So let's see where we go from here. Definitely getting into a lot more chop through here. You can see where we're at right here. We've got chop, 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 and then we've got this little area where we broke out momentarily and then raced right back to the upside. So just be mindful. This is an area where we definitely can get some bouncing going on and set up hopefully to clear that 439, 440 area, and that will set us up for that 444 and then potentially 450 again.